Guangzhou Metal Products Company Limited, a professional metal processing factory in Guangdong, China. To produce non-standard customized sheet metal factory, we could provide OEM service to fulfill customized demand. With 11 years experience, we develop product from laser cutting processing, sheet metal processing, steel structure until assembly and shipment. Your ideas and designs are important to us. Our team of experienced engineers and designers, we will work closely with you to bring your vision to life. The production process will help you to better understand our factory. We will maintain the high standards of quality control that have made us trust partner in the industry.